At BombBomb, we get a lot of questions on social media asking us to cover more practical tips about how to use BombBomb. So we're starting with just that. Here we're going to talk about our email templates with our customer care associate, Ray. Ray's going to go over how you can use email templates and how you can access them. But I want to let you know more about email templates. On our marketing team at BombBomb, we find that there's a time and a place for either just a standard Gmail style-esque video or a design template like the ones you're going to be able to access. A great way to use design templates is celebrating birthdays, anniversaries, what have you, holidays as well. A great thing about a design email template is it shows your professionalism, your brand, and it allows you to put a CTA in a button so it's easy for your customers to access it. We hope you enjoy the next section from Ray on how to use your templates.
Hey everybody, Ray here with BombBomb. I work over in customer success, and the most common question I hear from our users is 1, do we have templates? And 2, where do we find them? So today, what I'm gonna cover is a few questions about where to access those email templates and how to use them. All right, so the first thing that I'm gonna show you today is how to find these templates. So I'm currently under My Emails tab, and you see this new email icon here that has an orange teardrop on it. All you gotta do is click on that, and once you're redirected, you've got this change template option right here. Now this is the house of all of your templates, whether it's a custom email design that we've created for you or one that we've created for simple and easy use. So I'm going to select my template for BombBomb. And with this feature, you're gonna wanna work top to bottom so you don't miss anything. This Save As feature allows you to personalize what your email is about to ensure that you have quick and easy tracking if you ever need to look back on this email for follow-ups. Of course, that subject line is your front line of defense for reaching out to these people. So it's crucial to make sure that you personalize that subject line. I have come to find that our users experience the best response rates and open rates when they use pronouns. So I enjoyed meeting you today, or I just called, things like that that are gonna help you increase that engagement. Now, actually in your template, all you've gotta do is click on this big gray video placeholder, and it will give you the feature to record a video directly into this template. You can upload a video from your desktop or choose a video from your previous BombBomb library, which I am going to do here. So I'm gonna select this video and insert it. One thing that is incredibly crucial to ensure that your videos are actually going to get in the inbox is adding 2 to 3 sentences of text pertaining to what your video is about. If you're briefly explaining next steps on a process that your recipient or client needs to go through, add that to the body of the email. If you wanted to say, hey, thanks so much for reaching out, I enjoyed my time with you, click the video to learn more, you can do that as well. We have created tons of different templates specific to your unique needs. To find them, all you've got to do is click New Email right here. Once you click Change Template here, you'll see on the right side of this screen, you've got tons of different templates that are organized specifically catered to your needs. We've created a lot of different flair for you on a lot of different occasions that are also value-driven and resourceful to your recipients. To access them, all you've got to do is come here to New Email. And once again, we're gonna go over to this little change template feature that you see here. Now on the right side of your screen, we have organized all of these templates for your convenience so you can just quickly and easily grab one and add your video. So let's say we want to come down to this for real estate icon here, and you just closed a house. Of course you want to make this fun and engaging. Somebody just bought a house. Celebrate with them. The way you do it, click on this template here. We already have a fun design for you, and all you've got to do is add a video and add some text and send. If you still have questions after today, let us know. It's literally what we're here for. As somebody on the customer success team, our business doesn't see success unless your business does. So keep us in the loop. To do so, all you've got to do is hover your mouse over your name in the top right-hand corner of your BombBomb account and come down here to support. Now, this is your artillery. There's a few different ways that we've organize this for you. We have organized hundreds of videos that are quick and easy resources for you when you're hard at work. And you can retain those through these 3 icons that you see here at our support site, which is support.bombbomb.com. So feel free to click on web application here. You can search for templates. And we've got tons of simple, quick, and easy walkthrough videos to help simplify your use and implementation of templates. And of course, we have real life people that work here as well. So feel free to give us a call, shoot us an email, or start a quick chat with us so we can ensure that you're getting taken care of and seeing success using video.